Hi, I'm Susan. Today I'm participating in the Margarete Miller Collage Challenge, and we're on week 19. And our prompts for this week is hand or hands, 2 postage stamps, a single word that inspires you, I've got together, mountain or hills, I've got this, a piece from a calendar or planner, I've got that, and pattern with circles or dots, and I've got this. So I hope everybody's doing great, and without further ado, let's get started. All right, this was gonna be simple. I had a kind of a tough time with this one. I'm thinking I will go something along like this, and I will tuck in that. Although I believe I could cut off some. I don't want to waste too much. All right. So we'll go. I'm going to go ahead and glue these together. There's not a whole lot going on. It's been raining this morning. I'm filming this on Saturday. Nice, just we'll talk about storms throughout the weekend. Okay, so that down, that down. And I want to be able to see both hands. So maybe, oh, can't see the mountain then, can you? We'll just go like that. So let me get this down. Well, I hope all of you who are celebrating Mother's Day have a great Mother's Day. I know it's not the same time of the year for some of you, but today is Mother's Day for us here in the United States. Barely catch that. And then I can just lay it down. There we go. I have no big plans for Mother's Day. My sweet boys are at home, so that's always good. All right, so we got that down. I think I'm going to add my calendar down here. So much space there. And I've got my postage stamps. This goes to show you that, collaging doesn't have to be a lot. We can make it as hard or let it be as easy as we want. Thought those were happy little stamps. And I have my word together. Okay, and this glue. unstopped. And for those of you who have asked, I am feeling better, and I appreciate it. Y'all are so sweet. There we go. We'll just add that there. Now, let's see if we can embellish this maybe some more. I do have these. They might be kind of cute. Just something to add to it. All right. Well, I'm going to let it be just that simple today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button. If you haven't, ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. I guess I need to make sure I have everything. I have got my hand or hands. I have got 2 postage stamps, a single word that inspires you, which is together. Excuse me. Mountain or a hill, and a piece from a calendar or planner, and a pattern with circles or dots. So there we go. Be sure and check out the hashtag 2025 CWP19 to see what everyone else has made. It has really surprised me how few people are participating this year. Last year we had quite a few. So, but it's really the ones that are participating are really doing a great job. So I hope you enjoyed this video. So I love you, and until next time, bye y'all.